Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make key rings out of recycled plastic. I'm going to be using HDPE plastic, and this is just a mix of green plastic from a lid, white plastic from a kitty litter box, and then brown black from a hydrogen peroxide bottle. I'm just using my t-shirt press because that's what I have and that's what works the best for me. But if you don't have that, you can just use a toaster oven, which will work just fine. So I'm heating it up all the way to 360 degrees. And it's all flattened out just a bit. Some of the bits on the bottom have not melted all the way, so it looks cool now, but that's not where I want it to be. So I'm just going to roll it up so you can see how it's all flaky a bit. Then roll it into a ball in my hands. Just like a cookie. And then it's gonna be back in there for just a little bit. And while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna get my little press that I'm gonna use to get that ready. Okay, it's been a bit, and here's how it looks now. Okay, so here's my press. It's just two stud protectors that I got from Home Depot. You can look up Invent Troy's videos if you want a better understanding on how the press works. This is just a quick and easy way to do it. I stuck it in there for about 40 minutes just to make sure it was completely cooled. And there's two washers on each corner that I set for the thickness. So now this is that little sheet that I've got, and that's pretty much all I need to do for the plastic part. Next is just to cut it all out. So I'm just I'm gonna go with a crab. Just do that, cut it out. Burn it. And then just trim it all out. Here I'm trimming a chameleon. The chameleon didn't end up working, but this crab worked fine. I did multiple sizes because I couldn't really judge on the computer which size would be the best. And I'm just taping these on with just tape. And then here I'm just using a scroll saw just to cut out the basic shape. And then drill worked best for the eyes. And then there will be some cleanup that you'll have to do, which I'm just going to use an X-Acto knife and just clean it out a bit. And then here I'm just trimming a rough shape around it, making sure I leave a little room for the hole to go for the keychain. And here I am just trimming the edges off to make it more kind of look like rock, you know? And here's what it ended up looking like. I think it turned out pretty nice. Just drilled a little hole in the corner. Kind of looks a bit like jade to me. And that's how it is. Thanks.